There. That's the last ornament, babe. We just need the star on top now. Do you want to put it on? Why are you looking at me like that? Oh. I forgot we had that one. Go ahead and wrap it around the tree. It was hard finding a ribbon like this, you know. I guess it's super popular or something. Hey, babe. No, stop. Stop tying it around me. I'm gonna trip. I don't want it to tear her. Stop it already. Babe. That's it. You've lost your decorating privileges. No more ribbon for you. No, you can't put the star on either. You lost your chance. Ugh. Well, when you pout like that, I can't say no. Do you need a lift? I'm just offering. Oh, shut up and come here. No, don't worry about me. I'm having a great time. You're perfect for nuzzling into. You're done? There we go. It's perfect. You can let go now. Let go. Well, aren't you clingy? I love you too. But you're hella annoying, you know that? So, should we set the tree to rotate? That way we can see all of the decorations evenly. Rotisserie chicken. Now I don't want to because you said that. Should we start making gingerbread houses? All right. I think we should spice it up. I know we only have a few minutes to make them, but what if we made it a little competition? You're on. Okay, I have the timer. Ready? Set. Hey, no, I didn't say go, you dirty cheater. Whatever, you're going down anyway. Sure, take all the gumdrops you need. I'm keeping the candy canes. I'm gonna lick them so they're extra pointy for extra pizzazz. Oh, shut up. Those gumdrops are lame and taste like crap. They're the candy corn of Christmas. Damn, how are you so fast? Hey, babe, what's that? What? No, I didn't do anything. What are you talking about? You must not have put the icing on properly. Nuh-uh. Get your hands away from mine. You started it. I deserve some payback. Shit. Less than 30 seconds. Ugh. Boom. Done. No. Nope. Mine is far superior. Your little cottage cannot compare to my convenience store. Still not sure why that was an option. Either way, my gingerbread man has a little name tag. You don't even have a shopping cart. Whoa. That's a lot of detail. You planned this beforehand, didn't you? Yeah, it's cheating. It's the unwritten rule to be creative on the spot. Knowing you must have gone the extra mile and drawn it out. You've got icicles and flowers and even grass? Come on. Nope. That doesn't mean yours is better. Ha! See? One side of your roof is slipping off. That's on you. As the winner, and I am the winner, I challenge you to a dare. I dare you to sit on my lap. Wow, I didn't think you'd be so eager. Alright, I'll shut up. Hugging you from behind is the best. Well, of course, I love cuddling you in general. Wow, you're such a dork. Did you really put an "oh whoa" on your gingerbread man's face? I don't even know who you are anymore. Well, I'll take mine and model it over. Honey, I'm home. Yeah, I'm a dork too. All yours, of course. Now play along already. How was your day? Is business booming as usual? That's amazing. Stocks and stuff, am I right? I'm so glad your shift ends earlier than mine so we can be together. I love you so much. Mwah. Oh shit, the icing smudged. No, that doesn't mean... Fine. Choose your dare. No way. I gave you one you would like. Okay, you don't need to pull up the video. I remember the dance. Of course I do. It's iconic. And we just watched that movie. Those high school girls were so mean. Yeah, it's in the title. I get it. But it's not even a Christmas movie. Why'd we even watch it? It's not going to be that good because I don't have the sexy Santa costume. I don't know when they do the thigh slap thing. Is this enough for you? I don't even dance all that well. Something Jingle Bell Rock. Stop laughing. You're such a dork. I guess there's no need to cuddle anymore. You're burning up. Lazy bum. Fine. You want marshmallows with it? Here you go. No! My gingerbread man. Why? How could you? You could have eaten your own. Beheaded, no less. You hogged all the candy already. I'm so kind to you, and you betrayed me. How dare you? I refuse to believe he tastes anything but delicious. And I'm drinking your cocoa. You can't stop me. Fuck, it's hot. Stop it. No, not for you. I'm hurt. Whatever, brat. No, don't come closer. I'm very angry. Kisses aren't gonna work. I'll only forgive you if I can put my head on your lap. Again, so eager. And I get some head pats. Nope. Still mad. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. We have all night after all. I love you too, baby. Don't you ever forget.